Hi guys, welcome as we do the question before us. Samuel Kamau is my name. And so I read the question. Given ax squared plus 6x plus b is a perfect square, prove that b is equals to 9 over a. And so guys, now we start off. So guys, now we come and first of all find the general equation and the general formula. And the general formula, guys, is supposed to have, that is the standard formula for quadratic, is ax squared plus bx plus c. Guys, for such an equation, we can be able to complete the square so that we make it what we call a perfect square. And so, guys, I divide by a throughout. Doing that, I'll have x squared plus b all over ax now plus c over a. Guys, with that, I can now write the general formula. And the general formula goes like this. We find the square root of 2 squared. Guys, that is x. Guys, after that, we just write the same sign that is here, and that is plus. Guys, after finding the square root, for this term, we find half of it. And half of it is b all over 2a. Guys, I square that. And then I take away b over 2a squared. After that, I can come and now add this. That is c all over a. Guys, when we do that, we have completed the square. Or in other words, we have made this problem to be a perfect square. And now, guys, we now come to our question. But before we come to our question, guys, this is supposed to give us 0. So guys, when we add these two terms, they give us 0. And that means we have a perfect square. Because guys, we shall have this, which is a perfect square. And so guys, we now come to the question that we have. And so here we have the question. Guys, the first thing, we make this coefficient of x squared to be 1. And that one we can make it by dividing throughout by a. And guys, we get x squared plus 6 all over a x plus now b over a. Guys, now we come and write our equation. Just as we have written from this equation, we have written the general formula. And guys, now we have our equation right here. We just do the same, whereby we say square root of 2 squared is x. Then we put this sign plus. And then, guys, we look for half of the coefficient, which is 6 all over 2a. Guys, we square that. Minus, we now come and say 6 over 2a squared. Now plus b all over a. Guys, as we have said here earlier, this one should give us 0. And so therefore, I write now how it's supposed, I equate it now to 0. And so guys, I have equated my term to 0. And I have already squared this value, which now comes to 36, 9, that is 4a squared, which is right here. Remember that negative is outside the square, and so I just write the negative right there. Guys, I can now bring this term on this other side, whereby it will become a minus. And so here is our term. And now we come and cancel negatives, both sides. After that, guys, remember we are looking for b, whereby we are saying b is equals to 9 all over A. And so therefore, guys, what we do, we make B the subject of the formula. And that can happen, guys, if we bring A on this side. And so, guys, we shall have that 6A over 4A squared. So this comes now to B. I now divide by A here and divide by one of the A is cancelled. And this I can say divide by 4, 1, divide by 4, 9. And so therefore, guys, the value of B is now equal to 9 all over A. So guys, that is the value of B. And thank you guys for listening to me, for this is what guys we were looking for. Thank you. God bless you.